So you guys, I want to unbox everything I bought from the local market today, okay, and cost it. So this is oha. I bought this oha for 250 naira. And this is oziza. I bought 2 heads of oziza for 400 naira. That's 2 heads of oziza. I bought this smoked fish under I bed. You see the tonton this girl was doing to me. I bought this smoked fish for 2,200 naira. And this pepper, I bought it for 500 naira. So I got these onions, just 3 onions, like 3 onions only, for 500 naira. I bought fufu because, of course, you know, I am a fufu girl, always a fufu girl, a very native girl. So I bought this fufu for 100 naira. See how small it is. Only me can even finish 500 naira worth of this fufu. But because of T-Pain economy, I bought only 3 fufu. You can imagine how small this one is. Only 3 fufu for 300 naira. So each is 100 naira. And I went to buy these spices. This is Mkporoziza and Mkporoda. So now the oga pata of them all is these things I bought. So I bought this whippy cream mayonnaise for 1,500 naira. I was pricing, but the guy no hungry, so I had to take it for that. And I bought this sweet corn for 700 naira. I could not even price again because I didn't want them to throw stones at me. And guys, I got this cabbage, I don't know, for 1,800 naira. Initially he was telling me 2,500, but then I'm an Igbo girl and 1,000 years white material. And you know, besides, no go collect money from Ogaba, go collect them, enter market, still go price. You get So I got this now for 1,700 naira at against 2,500 naira. And I bought this green pepper for 600 naira. And I got these green beans for 500 naira. The way I was complaining about these green beans, that the guy had to tie extra jara or meji for the green beans because the complaining was not here. I kept on whining, so he used this to add to me. You know which anyway, but the market. I got ofo. This is the thickener I'm going to be using to cook the ofo oha, the oha soup. And I got carrot. This carrot, I don't know. For some reason, I think this woman was selling her carrots well. She was selling this carrot well because see her booking. So if she do too much shakara to sell her carrots, she will not get customers. See her booking where they sell carrots, where in be their field. So she gave me this whole carrot for 1,000. She fit cheat me. I begin para, madam, or just the select small one they put for me. She can't give me this big one, use you know. Let me say my face they fine for market. This carrot so she gave for 1,000. But I think this was impressive. I'll be impressive. It was impressive for 1,000 naira. So this is the carrots, and they carry my thing they walk about whenever I do them. Make sure no go disgrace me. So I got this for my mom. These are products I got for my mom. And guys, I got a free gift. Okay, I got this sheet marks from my customer. I said, customer, you go do Christmas for me. He said, I carry 2 sheet marks, so I'm here to try this. I bought this because I saw the placenta, and placenta rejuvenates the face, and you know, it's very, very good. So I got it because of the placenta I saw. And then this one is the snail BioQuar snail luxury moisturizing and emollient marks. Everything you are seeing here, guys, everything you are seeing here is up to 12k. I'm not even kidding. It's up to 12, 13k. On the normal day, if you carry 15,000 enter market, you go buy even rice, you go buy beans, buy this, buy that, buy that, buy that, buy that. But see all the groceries I got for 15,300. T-Pay, you do this one.
Let's go. Step in the vibe, get your glow on fleek. Skincare poppin' on this every week. Feminine care, baby girl, stay clean. Level up your life, live fresh, live queen. Move your body slow-mo, feel the afro heat. Glow from the inside, rhythm in your feet. Every day we rise, every day we heal. Wellness on fire, dance, dance, dance with idol. Dance, dance, dance with idol. Dance, dance, dance with idol.
You're fighting. Why?
Don't forget to like, hit subscribe.
But the boy is a yellow pint. How can somebody be saying that they gave him title of the head of
Dance, don't forget to like, hit subscribe, drop a comment, share the vibe.